This roof wasn't supposed to leak anymore. It had already been repaired once, but after some time the leaks came back. Before fixing it again, I want to find out what went wrong. This is a reused double-layer roofing sheet. It was first installed as a canopy. Now it's being used as a second-floor roof. That left behind several old screw holes. The leaks came from two places. Some came through old screw holes. Others came through the overlapping joints. Both had already been repaired before. The old repair used rust-proof coating and sealant. It worked for a while, but not forever. Everything has to come off first. A clean surface makes a stronger repair. The waterproof coating goes on first. This creates a solid base. The coating is still wet. Now the fiberglass mesh goes on. It reinforces the repair. Another coat seals everything together. Now it becomes one waterproof layer. The overlapping joints get the same treatment. These areas move the most, so they need extra protection. Every old screw hole is sealed again, even if it isn't leaking yet. Water only needs a tiny gap. A few screw caps were missing. Some rubber washers had become brittle. Those areas get waterproof coating too. The repair is complete. Every leak point is now protected. The next heavy rain will be the real test. But this repair should last much longer.